ng third set, but good thing nakaka-recover kami. And knowing din naman our team, pag gusto nila talaga bumawi, gagawin nila yung lahat para magpanalo.
Thank you, Coach. And MJ, you had 23 points in this game. You guys are still undefeated in Pool B. So how does it feel to be able to get these consecutive wins?
Of course, we are happy, but still we are not. It's not enough. I feel still we feel like we don't reach our peak, and we need to push more. And especially in this kind of games, like Capital is like a team that they fight a lot. They are young. They have nothing to lose, so they come to just to fight. And we have to deal with this, and we have to be stronger and keep our mindset the highest.
Jackie, isa ka rin sa mga nag-step up for Sigma in this game. Ano lang masasabi mo sa naging performance mo?
Masaya po, pero hanggang today lang po dapat kasi job's not finished, and ginawa ko lang po yung best ko para makatulong sa team, tsaka para hindi masayang din yung tiwala na binibigay ng coaches and management.
And Jackie, mas malaki yung role na binibigay sa ni Coach Amen. Ano lang yung mindset mo para i-take on yung challenge niya sa'yo?
Yung mindset ko lang palagi everyday is makatulong, tapos tapangan ko lang palagi. Siyempre, hindi din basta-basta natin yung mga kalaban ngayon. Talaga nag-step up din lahat ng team. So, nag-hard work din talaga ako sa training, tapos sumusunod lang din ako sa mga instruction ng coaches.
Ayun, Coach, napapansin ko mas binibigay ng opportunity si Jackie. Ano naman masasabi niyo so far sa pinapakita niya?
Well, actually lahat naman ng leaders namin, laging merong malaking opportunity yan pagdating sa training. Kaya balance naman lahat ng nabibigay namin time para sa kanila. But nakikita rin namin kasi yung malaking potential ni Jackie. And mas aggressive din sa mga galawan. And pero gusto ko rin ma-expose yung talagang potential niya kasi malaki may tutulong niya sa team.
For MJ, now that you're still undefeated, is it a bit easier to navigate the rest of the way, or somehow harder because you know that maybe the target is still on your backs moving forward?
It's not gonna be easy, and actually it's getting harder, and we have to just keep working because we have a goal, and we game by game, we have to do game by game, and still digging in our goal.
And for Coach, nung bago mag-umpisa ng conference, siguro po tinitingnan ng mga table signal yung mga kulang or yung mga nasa alas and all that. Pero ngayon po na 3-0 start and sobrang ganda po nung nilalaro nyo, gano'n ka po siguro, or nabawasan ba yung pressure, yung paunang worries, or medyo mas focus lang talaga sa kung anong susunod?
Well, siyempre nabawasan dahil grabe yung effort na ginagawa ng mga players namin ngayon na nasa team. While nasa alas yung 2 players namin. And happy lang ako kasi sumusunod lang sila sa sistema na meron yung team. And kailangan mas ma-improve pa namin, like sinabi nga ni Maria. Mas magiging mahirap talaga itong mga next games namin, even sa second round. Kasi for sure, pag-aaralan kami ng mga teams. So, well, same lang din kami nung gagawin. Mas pagbubutihin pa namin yung trabaho namin. Mas aaralin namin lahat ng mga kalaban namin. And puro yung pag-aalaga din sa mga players, kailangan mas maging safe sila, secure, and siyempre yung condition nila kailangan 100% every game, especially